All right, here we are with a few more parts taken off. I took off the lower metal, it's like a U brace, which is sitting over here. Pulled that off the car and I will clean it and remove any rust and touch it up. But it makes things a little more accessible on the car. When I remove that, these are the parts that came off, which are all part of that white line caster adjustment kit that sort of tilts the whole suspension arm a little bit to give it a little more caster. That is out of the way now, and so while waiting for the timing belt parts to arrive, I'm going to do a little more cleanup in there. I cleaned this side a little bit. It is definitely looking better than it was before. So we're gonna work on removing some of the suspension stuff. We'll undo the struts and the tie rod in and see if we can get the knuckle off the car. The rest of the brake parts should be here in the next day or so we can reassemble the wheel woods and then start working on getting the bearing out of here and putting a new bearing in. So stuff to do.